Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking metals, precious metals, let's talk about gold. Gold has a big rally going today, up over 1.25%. Second largest up day in what has been a down month overall. February, this is the second largest up day. The biggest up day we had in gold in February was February 14th. That happened to coincide with the biggest down day in the dollar index, which is also what's driving gold lower today, is the weaker dollar. Overall, the dollar index back below 89. The President Trump's proposed tariffs on steel and aluminum still weighing on the dollar. There was a little bit of a recovery yesterday. We got some good news in the equity markets. The dollar got a little bit stronger. Most of that good news coming from Wall Street hearing that Gary Cohn, former Goldman Sachs official, he is one of Donald Trump's economic advisors, very popular on Wall Street, was putting a small group together to try and dissuade the president from signing the executive order, putting these tariffs in place, potentially starting a trade war. Now, Europe responded with specific products that they were going to place tariffs on. Not a very big chunk of the U.S. economy, to be honest, but one key was Harley-Davidson, which is headquartered in Wisconsin, which is where Paul Ryan is from. Paul Ryan had already come out, that's the House Speaker obviously, Paul Ryan had already come out against these tariffs as well, but the dollar still weaker on the idea that President Trump is pretty steadfast in wanting to pass these tariffs. Now, you could have seen a little bit of pressure, save for all the other factors involving the dollar, on gold to the downside, because North Korea actually blinked on nuclearization. They actually said they would be willing to talk about denuclearization. I don't even know if I'm saying the right, but hopefully they can say it right. They are going to discuss it as long as sanctions will be lifted and their regime will remain intact and is not in any danger, which is interesting because President Trump would want to engage with them. He has said this in the past, and it would be a victory for him to get down that road for North Korea, which has not been achieved in the prior 4 or 5 administrations who have tried to achieve this. Now, whether it's because of Trump's actions or not, we don't know, but that is something that could be a little bit of a weight on gold, because gold has been the sort of safe haven for geopolitical turmoil. Clearly, though, with the rally we're getting in gold, that particular sector of geopolitics has been in the background for quite a while. This is Bob Iaccino talking about a strong rally in gold from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.